Paris, 1900. Pour la première fois, des femmes participent aux Jeux Olympiques. Elles représentent 22 des 997 athlètes. Paris, 2024. Les premiers JO paritaires sont annoncés. Dans le sport comme ailleurs, le chemin vers l'inclusion et la reconnaissance des femmes a été long. Et il est loin d'être fini. Mais qu'en est-il en canoë-kayak?
I'm not sure women's kayak got put in the Olympics, but as of Tokyo, that was the first time women's canoe was put into the Olympics. So it was very fun to watch the sport be in the games for the first time.
Pour bien comprendre ce que Michel nous raconte, il faut d'abord distinguer le canoë et le kayak. Le canoë se pratique à genoux avec une pagaie simple, le kayak assis avec une pagaie double. Mais alors, pourquoi faut-il attendre 2020 pour la première épreuve olympique féminine de canoë?
I used to say that women can't canoe because then they wouldn't be able to have babies. Okay, but those older guys are dying off. Younger people are taking over, so it's good.
S'il faut attendre 2020 pour la première épreuve olympique, c'est le Canada en 1995 qui organise la première compétition au niveau national.
I guess, yeah, we're always done by discipline and like by boat type and then by gender as well. Like there's certain distances that the men's kayak, they race 1,000 meters for the single events, and then everything else is 500. But women's canoe do 200 for C1. So like there's differences in the distances, but that's what all I can think of right now. One event that we have been doing, it's not an Olympic event, but something we do at Worlds and World Cups is actually mixed doubles. So we have men and a woman in a C2 or a K2, and I think it's getting more popular. No, the only specific training is depending on the distance that you do. So in a training group, like I train with Connor all the time. The only time we go our separate ways is like he does 1,000 meters and I do 500. So we do something specific is when we do something different. In terms of that, I train with the men's canoe all the time.